Hi there, and welcome to this exciting video. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Lumiere3D, the revolutionary AI platform that will take your e-commerce and marketing videos to a whole new level. Get ready to create captivating cinematic videos in just minutes. Let's dive right in. 1. Unleash the power of Lumiere3D. Say goodbye to ordinary videos and hello to extraordinary storytelling with Lumiere3D. This web-based AI platform transforms your products into virtual 3D masterpieces with stunning lifelike models. The best part, you can achieve all of this effortlessly. 2. Turn everyday objects into 3D magic. With Lumiere3D, the power of AI is in your hands. Simply use your smartphone or webcam to scan any object you want to showcase. Upload it to Lumiere3D and voilà! The platform automatically generates a 3D model that you can customize to perfection. 3. Cinematic videos with dynamic magic. But wait, there's more. Lumiere3D goes beyond static models. You can create cinematic videos that will leave your audience in awe. Add dynamic camera movements, seamless transitions, and personalized effects to elevate your product presentations. 4. Elevate your product presentation. Choose from an array of 3D scenes, lighting options, and animations to make your products shine. Lumiere3D gives you the power to craft videos that highlight your product's features and benefits, leaving a lasting impression on your viewers. 5. Perfect music match with AI. And we haven't forgotten about music. Lumiere3D's AI can generate professional quality royalty-free music that matches the mood and tone of your video. Say goodbye to worrying about finding the perfect soundtrack. 6. Perfect for shoes and more. Are you in the shoe business? Lumiere3D is tailor-made for you. Create unique cinematic shoe videos that will mesmerize your audience on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Showcase your shoes from different angles, styles, and environments, and watch your viewers be amazed. 7. Sign up for your free trial. Now that you've seen the magic of Lumiere3D, it's time to experience it for yourself. Sign up for a free trial at https://lumiere3d.com and gain access to all the incredible features and capabilities Lumiere3D has to offer. You'll be amazed at how it transforms your video creation process. 8. Unleash the power of AI in your videos. Lumiere3D is the ultimate tool for creating cinematic videos with the power of AI. It saves you time, money, and hassle while delivering high-quality results that will wow your audience. So why wait? Step into the future of video creation and start using Lumiere3D today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're as excited about Lumiere3D as I am. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative tech updates. Until next time, happy video creating with Lumiere3D.